Definitely UpKeep keep us on our toes on keeping everyone updated. My name is Ung Ho. I am with HMS Host. My title is Maintenance Manager 3 in LAX Airport. Have you ever flew in any airports? And have you ever gone to a Starbucks? My company actually opened all those Starbucks. So HMS Host is just behind the scene. Communication is core of understanding what the issue is. There's always a text or email. Throughout our days, we got multiple, and it drags on and on and on. And that's where it goes misplaced, and we are unable to communicate. And now you have the managers kind of displeased, and then they get into that problematic blaming. That's where UpKeep kind of clear out all that situation. The biggest challenge operation assets management is people. What UpKeep really helps is staying communicated. A lot of time people miscommunicate with people, so staying on top of that, understanding each other, definitely helps manage that piece. There's no blame game. It just went straight to the point. We're here to repair your issue and get you operating. My goal is definitely move up from where I am. What I'm trying to do is try to create a legacy for myself. I think UpKeep could definitely help me out.